Hi everybody, how are we all this week? This is Megan. I hope that we are all well. And this is lesson 2, composing internal and external business documents. Now I know that we looked at this last week as well, but we're just going to finish it this week. So for Brian's class, this is week 11, and for my class, this is week 9. So today we will review internal and external communication. We will compose a range of communications for business purposes to include electronic communication, text messages and emails, and to proofread an email. So, internal and external communication. Can you remember what that is? So you can pause the video here while you think about that. But I'm just going to move on. So, when we looked at meetings, we discussed internal and external communication. Can you remember what they are? Well, when the members of an organization can communicate with each other, it is called internal communication. And when there is a communication between members of the organization and outside parties, it is called external communication. These are two types of communication which can be used in the corporate world. So, again, guys, which are internal and which are external? Well, the agenda was internal, the memo was internal, external was the letter, external was the text message, and internal was the meeting. So we have the agenda, the memo, and the meeting done, but today we're going to look at the letter and the text message. Okay, so let's have a look. Writing documents then. So, today then guys, we're going to look at electronic communication. So, what do you think electronic communication is? You can have a think about that now. Okay, so electronic communication is any communication which is transferred electronically. There are many different types of electronic communication, including texts and instant messaging, email, video, conferencing, phone, and fax. So today, guys, we are going to look at sending text messages. So, what is a text message, I hear you ask? Well, a text message is an electronic communication sent and received by mobile phone or by smartphone. So open and read the electronic communication text messages document. Read the tips and fill in the blank spaces with the words in the box. And this is that document. So the words in the box are need, normal, permission, group, professional, proofread, mode, name, and courteous. And these are the sentences. So you can pause the video here while you complete this exercise. But I'm just going to move on. So these are the answers. Get permission before you start texting people. Text during normal business hours. One mode is sufficient unless the message is urgent. Include your name at the beginning. Be courteous. Being courteous means using a greeting. Ask yourself whether you need to text or communicate at all. Think twice before sending a group text. It may be easy for you, but it can be frustrating for the recipients. Proofread before clicking send and avoid shorthand. And be professional. When you text at work, your text messages are professional communications. Try not to use emojis. Okay, so maybe we learned something there a bit about text messages. So this brings us on to the portfolio or the exam question. Write a text message inviting a candidate to interview. So state who you are and what company you are calling from. Inform them they have been shortlisted for the vacancy. Suggest a time. Specify the location. State who will be conducting the interview. Request candidates bring references and other documents. and ask the candidates to confirm attendance at the interview by phone or by email. Now, this is the document that's on Showbie, but I have made it a little bit bigger here. So, hello, name of the person you're texting. This is Megan calling from Louthmeath Education and Training Board. You have been shortlisted for the position of a sales agent. We would like to invite you to a Skype interview on, I don't know, whatever day you like and at whatever time. Megan will be conducting the interviews. They will last 1 hour. Please bring your CV and relevant references, and please confirm attendance to 087 123 4567 or megan@gmail.com. Thank you, Megan. Okay, so guys, you can base this as a template for your exam question. Okay guys, so let's move on. So a business text revision then. So read the statements about writing a business text message and think about what we have learned on writing a business text message. Say whether the following statements are true or false. So, give clear instructions about what the customer should text to you. Is that true or false? Text after normal working hours. Use consistent terminology each time you send a text. If you use the word reply, then use this word each time. Don't swap it for record or send instead. Number 4, use emojis. Number 5, place limited options. Example, the customer can reply yes or no. Use a polite, friendly, upbeat tone. Always send group texts, especially when group members don't have each other's numbers. Don't use text abbreviations. Use correct spelling and punctuation. Don't read your text messages before you send it. And split long texts into 2 parts. So is that true or false? You can pause the video here while you complete that exercise. But I'm just going to move on. So number 1 was true, number 2 true, number 3 true, number 4 true, number 5 true, number 6 true, number 7 false, number 8 true, number 9 true, number 10 true, and number 11 true. Okay guys, so this brings us on to our portfolio or our exam question. Business text message. Compose a high-quality, professional, easy-to-read business text to inform customers of a new product, service, or special offer. So this is an example that you can use to help you. Dear customer name, we would like to know that we have merged with our sister company, name of company. We assure you that this won't change your online experience. We are excited to share the goods with you. To celebrate, you will receive whatever percent off your next order. So 20%, 30%, 40%. Thank you very much. And the name of your company. Okay, so guys, this is all up on Showbie, and this is our first exercise today, and this is write a formal text message for business. Okay, and guys, that brings us up to our break time. So go and have your tea and coffee and take a few minutes and maybe have a biscuit or 2. Okay, guys, I'll see you back in the second half called part 2. Okay, see you then. Bye. Bye-bye.